Hey guys, this is Paul checking in with you. Even though it's very cloudy skies, but I'm feeling lovely because I just took back one of my favorite houses from a tenant for handover. So I thought I'll shoot this video for you as well. So this is actually what we call a 3.5 room corner. So it's huge, it's almost like a 4-room flat, and I tell you, this is like the crown jewel, my favorite part of the whole of Clementi. And I'm a Clementi resident, so I know what I'm talking about. Just check out the gorgeous view here. It's all trees, and you're looking at Sunset Way, okay, and you're looking towards Bukit Timah Hill in the distance. So it's really lovely. Okay, this kind of view is priceless, right? Even with money, you may not be able to buy this kind of view. And you can see that it's all mainly landed property here that enjoys this kind of view. So this is like where the what we call like the Sunset Way Canal, part of the park connector. Okay, so yeah, you can see that I love the view here, and it's very nicely done up, this whole place. Okay, of course I'm doing some touching up. So this is like a reading nook. Okay, you can put your cushions here, and there's just so much space here. Okay, let me just zoom out and just to show you. See, so even when you open your door, okay, to let in the wind, okay, you still maintain your privacy, okay, because it's just a wall. You can decorate it, whatever you wish to do with the space over here is all yours. So usually what I do is check out the view here. Usually I'll just love to chill out here, do my work, you know, read. I can imagine, yeah. So yeah, and you know, you're right at the corner. Okay, so you enjoy all the quietness, your privacy, and this is huge. Okay, you can see that we have a very longish, you can have like a dining room, a proper dining table here. So you can host, you know, your friends over here, you know, host easily 6 to 8 packs for dinner. Okay, and you can see that you get floor to ceiling. Okay, all the furniture, you know, the colors are all made to match, and these are good quality wood. We're talking about solid wood. Okay, so very tastefully furnished. And a rarity in the HDBs is that the living room has an aircon as well. Okay, so very rare. Okay, and the second room here has the most magnificent view. So it shares the same view as just now what I showed you. So you know, all the windows face out to this lovely view. Yeah, I would definitely choose my bedroom here and to look out the window any time of the day. So remember, during the pandemic days when we had to work from home, my tenant said that this was what preserved their sanity. Okay, and being able to just pop by downstairs, okay, to walk. Okay, and when they work from home, at least, you know, it feels very comfortable. Okay, very therapeutic with nature. So this can double up as a guest room, okay, a work room. Okay, and there is also a foldable mattress. Okay, so we can always bring it up when it's not in use, and it will fold nicely into the display shelves. Okay, so it comes with AC and the wardrobe in the corner. Okay, and so yeah, so you know, with the 3.5 room, you get more space here. You kind of like get 2 living rooms. So that's why you can separate one into the dining, then the other one is a living area, up to you. Okay, so you can see that is the owner actually designed it with very thorough air ventilation in mind, and bringing in a lot of natural light into the house. Okay, yeah, so all well equipped, maintained really well by our lovely tenants. Okay, so you get storage, you get a washer dryer, a fridge, okay, all the works. Right, So I guess, yeah, I mean, it's really the locality. So of course, bathrooms have also been renovated. Okay, block is upgraded. Let me now show you the master. Okay. So master, you have a vanity corner over there, okay, to save space. Simple table, can double up as a dresser, and this is what I want to show you is you actually get your own shower stall. Okay, so you can keep your bathroom dry. Okay, so it's more like a condo style, right? Because as you know, HDB bathrooms they're usually wet. You don't get a separate shower stall, and this is big, isn't it? You can double up as your vanity area over here. Okay, so this place will be handed over to my new tenant really soon. So we're doing all the touching up, getting a new fresh coat of paint. Yeah, so it's really lovely. Okay, you need to be here to really experience, and a lot of times my tenants, they just fall in love with the house, especially with the greenery, the scenery, love at first sight. Like I've had a German pianist, who loves playing his piano here and just chilling out because it's a high floor, corner, 3.5, and with such a beautiful view. Alright, that's all. I'll check in with you again soon. Take care.